Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cloudpuff from My Little Pony. So let's get started. To draw this cute flying Pomeranian, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and basically kind of draw like this really flat oval. So just come over here with a curve, and then I'm going to round off the corners and connect it. And towards the center, I'm just going to give it a little bit sharper point and then go back up. But you can just make it an oval. From there, I'm going to come right here and just draw another oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Now that this nose in, let's come to the sides and we're going to draw the eyes. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. And same thing on the other side. So say about right here. And draw another circle. Then from there, I'm going to give it one little highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing here. There, so the eyes and nose, and now let's draw the mouth. So right in the center, right here, I'm going to come down with a little line, and then I'm going to come out with a curve, a flat curve, and it come right underneath this eye. And then about right here, I'm going to cap it off with a curve. So same thing on this side, just come right across, right there, come towards the eye. And cap it off and a curve. Nice big smile. And then right underneath we're going to add a curve right here, a deeper curve, and go up. And then we're just going to add a tongue right here. And just go ahead and just shade this all in just to simplify it. There, so cute, right? And then above the eyes, we're going to draw a slight curve. So kind of going downwards, a curve over each eye. There. Okay, so now to draw the body, which is very round because that's why he's called a Cloudpuff, right? So he's kind of imitating a cloud. So let's come up right here in the center. I'm going to go up nice and high. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to draw a curve right over. So this is the center, the head area right there. And then from there, I'm going to draw the ears. So about right in this area, I'm going to go up, round off the tip, and come right back down. So nice big ears. So right here, same thing. And we're going to come down all the way right there. So nice and fluffy. So if you like, you can, I'm going to make this Pomeranian nice and smooth with my lines. But if you like, you can come in here in this area. I just wanted to show you. And if you want, you can make it look furry by just drawing zigzags. So instead of a nice little curve, just go up and down with some curves like that. I mean, with some zigzags to make it furry, to make it look furry. So like for the ears, you go up, and then when you come back down, we're not off the page yet, you can just zigzag a little bit here and there. So ear and then zigzag, just to give you an example, just to make it look a little bit furrier if you like. Okay, so from there, let's come back into this area right here, just imagining this curve. And I'm going to draw a little curve right there for the inside of the ear. And same thing, so imagine this is coming down to about right here. And add a curve. So then let's bring this down, like I said, nice and furry and round. So I'm going to bring this all the way down. This part is a little bit more angular, and then we're going to bring it down. So just creating back and forth. Nice and fluffy. Okay, so So come out right there. I'm going to stop and I'm going to find my center spot. So imagine this is a nice fluffy dog. It's kind of roundish right here. So it's coming around. So I would say about right here. I'll give myself a point from the center. So it's kind of like underneath the nose a little bit, about right here. And I'm going to give myself a soft curve right here. So this is going to be the beginning of the feet. So I'm going to come straight down. And so about right here. Let's bring this down. And come in. And I'm going to start about right there. Nice tiny little feet. I'm going to curve out for a little paw. And come right back up. So then in this area, I'm just going to draw two little curves. So you can kind of see what's going on. And then same thing here. Just going to curve and go up. So nice and tiny. Add a little curve right there. And then let's bring this in. So come back into the space. And we're just going to tuck in a curve for the back leg right there. And so that is pretty much it for the drawing for this part right here. Now to add the wings. So come right about here. I'm going to pop out. Big curve, come in. Right there. And then add some feathers. I'm going to round this off. And one more. And come in here and give it a little line right in the center. And so same thing about the other side. So say about right here, the other side. There. About the same thickness as the other one, so a little bit thicker. And then once again, the feathers. There. And that is pretty much it for this cute Cloudpuff from My Little Pony. And I'll add a heart right here to make it my jaw so cute. Flying Pomeranian. So they're all done. I really hope you loved how this cute little flying Pomeranian here turned out, and I helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.